Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Grok AI. So here I am logged into a Grok account, right? It's free. You can just use your Google account as well. And then here on the left hand side, you can click on chat and you can use any of these features. You can pick a persona as well, right? For them to take the AI and they'll assist you with that. For example, if you want fitness advice, choose that one. If you want a writing assistance, you can choose that as well. Or you can do deep search. This is their feature that you can go ahead and use. Okay. And that is more advanced. You can come here and choose any of their models that they have as well. Okay. If you want expert one or you want just faster responses, you can pick that as well. If you want images, you can come click here and enter your prompt to create your image. Just make sure it's toggled on image. It'll give you multiple images. You can select your aspect ratio as well. You can also generate videos. Let me show you an example that I have actually done. Okay, so here we have image generation that I have done. Very simple. Prompted it to generate an image of a lion. Then we wanted to make additions, right? So wearing a crown. And it gives you images of the lion wearing a crown. You can easily download this as well just by clicking on that icon. Okay, and you can easily as well go ahead and generate videos. So let me show you an example of what I generated. These are just an example. Here, video has sound and everything perfectly as I wanted it. Look at the prompt, as detailed as you can be as detailed as possible, and it will give you so many different iterations of that prompt. As you can see, this one's actually perfect. And I have another one. This one here as well. Another video, the sound, everything really matches. And you can even use the voice feature. Click here on voice. Okay, and you can actually talk to Grok AI. So here I am speaking to Grok, and Grok can understand me. As you can see. And they can respond to you. So, hello, Grok.
Hello.
So there you go. So you can see Grok actually responded. You can change the voice as well. You can choose a different personality as well if you want. Even adjust the speed. Okay. And you can even use it to build AI agents. Just prompt it to do so. And it gives you a whole code and a whole process on how to go ahead and deploy the AI agents. And that is how to use Grok AI.